Animal Behavior and Communication Insights in Canada. Hi there's, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most interesting animal behavior and communication insights in Canada. Canada is an incredible country that is home to a wide variety of animal species and natural habitats. From the Arctic tundra to the temperate rainforest, Canadian wildlife has provided us with fascinating insights into animal behavior and communication. Overview of animal behavior and communication research. Canada is home to a diverse range of animal species, each with its unique set of behavioral patterns and communication methods. Animal behavior and communication research in Canada involves observing and analyzing how animals interact with each other and their environment. This research aims to understand how animals adapt to changes in their habitat and how they communicate with other members of their species. Animal behavior and communication research can also shed light on how animals use signals to communicate their intentions and emotions. Studying animal behavior and communication requires extensive fieldwork and observation. Scientists use a variety of techniques to study animal behavior, such as setting up camera traps, tracking animals using GPS collars, and observing their behavior in the wild. Researchers also use laboratory experiments to test hypotheses about animal behavior and communication. These experiments often involve training animals to respond to specific stimuli or cues. Animal behavior and communication research in Canada is critical for understanding how animals adapt to changes in their habitat and how they interact with humans. By studying animal behavior and communication, we can develop strategies to protect endangered species and mitigate the impact of human activities on wildlife populations. Unique animal species in Canada and their behavior patterns. Canada is home to a diverse array of unique animal species, each with their own distinct behavior patterns. From the elusive mountain goat to the iconic Canadian beaver, these animals have adapted to survive in the various regions of Canada. The Arctic fox, for example, has adapted to the harsh, snowy conditions of the tundra by growing a thick, white fur coat to blend in with its surroundings and conserve heat. Meanwhile, the majestic moose, commonly found in the boreal forest, uses its antlers for defense and to attract mates during mating season. These animal behaviors are fascinating to study and offer insights into the adaptations necessary for survival in Canada's varied landscapes. Communication methods used by Canadian animals. Canadian animals use a variety of communication methods to convey different messages and express their needs and emotions. For example, wolves use vocalizations such as howling and barking to communicate with pack members and warn potential predators. Birds use various songs and calls to attract mates and defend their territory. In addition to vocalizations, some animals use visual cues like body language and color changes to communicate, such as chameleons and octopuses. Some Canadian animals also use scent markings to establish territory or attract a mate, such as skunks and bears. Understanding these communication methods is crucial for researchers to study animal behavior and for conservationists to protect and preserve their habitats. Examples of animal behaviors observed in different regions of Canada. Canada's vast and varied landscapes are home to an array of unique animal species. From the Arctic tundra to the Pacific coast, each region offers a diverse range of animal behaviors to observe. In the Arctic, polar bears are known to migrate hundreds of miles in search of food. In the boreal forests, moose engage in aggressive mating rituals. In the prairies, bison form large herds to protect themselves from predators. In the Rocky Mountains, mountain goats can be seen scaling steep cliffs with ease. Along the coast, orcas exhibit complex communication and hunting behaviors. Observing these animal behaviors provides valuable insight into their natural tendencies and can inform conservation efforts to protect these species and their habitats. Impact of human activities on animal behavior and communication in Canada. Human activities have a significant impact on animal behavior and communication in Canada. Habitat loss due to urbanization and industrial development has forced many species to adapt to new environments or change their behavior patterns. For example, coyotes in urban areas have learned to scavenge from garbage cans and adapt to human presence, while some bird species have shifted their migration patterns due to climate change. Human activities also cause noise pollution that can interfere with animal communication, such as mating calls or warning signals. For example, underwater noise from shipping and construction activities can disrupt communication among marine mammals like whales and dolphins. This can have long-term effects on population dynamics and ecosystem health. Additionally, human activities like hunting and fishing can also impact animal behavior and communication. Overhunting or overfishing can cause population declines and disrupt social structures, while illegal hunting can create fear and distrust among animals towards humans. It is important for humans to recognize the impact of their activities on animal behavior and communication in order to protect and conserve these species. Efforts to reduce habitat loss, regulate noise pollution, and enforce responsible hunting and fishing practices are critical steps in preserving the natural behaviors and communication of Canada's diverse animal species. Conservation efforts, initiatives to protect animal behavior and communication. Canada is home to diverse animal species, each with unique behavior patterns and communication methods. However, human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change have threatened the natural habitats of these animals, leading to a decline in their populations and disrupting their behavior and communication patterns. To address this issue, Canada has implemented conservation efforts and initiatives to protect animal behavior and communication. These efforts include the establishment of national parks, wildlife reserves, and protected areas to provide safe and natural habitats for animals to live and interact. Additionally, organizations like the Canadian Wildlife Federation and the Nature Conservancy of Canada work to protect wildlife through research, advocacy, and educational programs. To protect specific species, such as the endangered northern spotted owl and the Pacific humpback whale, Canada has implemented targeted conservation efforts. These include monitoring populations, enforcing protective laws and regulations, and creating habitat restoration programs. Conservation efforts are not only important for preserving Canada's diverse wildlife, but also for maintaining their behavior and communication patterns. By protecting natural habitats and reducing human disturbance, we can ensure that these animals can thrive and continue to communicate with each other as they have for generations. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thank you.